Yo, what's up everybody? It's Top 10 Unfiltered, and we're about to dive headfirst into the future. You know those crazy sci-fi movies with self-driving everything, robots that read your mind, and enough clean energy to power 1,000 suns? Yeah, that's not so sci-fi anymore. We're talking about technology so wild, so groundbreaking that they're about to flip the script on everything we thought we knew about the world. And the craziest part? Some of this stuff is right around the corner, people, so buckle up because we're about to break down the top 10 future technologies that will change the world. And trust me, you're not gonna want to miss number 1. It's straight out of your wildest dreams. Or maybe your nightmares. Let's do this. Quantum computing. It's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new dimension of processing power. Imagine the difference between your grandpa's old calculator and the smartphone in your pocket. That's the leap we're talking about. See, regular computers use bits, which are like tiny switches that can be either on or off, 1 or 0. But quantum computers, they use qubits. These things are wild. They can be 1, 0, or both at the same time. Problems that would take today's most powerful supercomputers thousands of years to solve, quantum computers could crunch those numbers in seconds. Google, IBM, they're all racing to build the first true quantum computer. Okay, we're going there. Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI. This is the big one, people. We're not just talking about AI that can beat you at chess or write a decent email. AGI is different. This is AI that can actually think, learn, and reason just like a human being. Or, maybe even better. Imagine an AI that can understand your emotions, solve complex problems, and even come up with its own ideas. That's the potential of AGI. It could revolutionize everything from healthcare to space exploration. But, and this is a big but, what happens when those machines decide they don't need us anymore? Yeah, it's a little freaky to think about. Some of the brightest minds out there, people like Elon Musk, are already warning us about the potential dangers of AGI. How about 3D printed organs? Yeah, you heard that right. Scientists are already using 3D printers to create fully functioning organs using living cells. Think about it. No more waiting lists for organ transplants, no more worries about organ rejection. Need a new kidney? No problem, just print one up. Had a bit too much fun this weekend and need a new liver? We've got you covered. This technology has the potential to revolutionize healthcare as we know it. It could save millions of lives and add years to our lifespans. Ever wished you could control your phone with your mind? No, seriously. Well, guess what? With brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, that's becoming a reality. We're talking about implanting tiny chips in your brain that can read your thoughts and translate them into actions. Imagine being able to text your friends, control your smart home, or even move a prosthetic limb just by thinking about it. Alright, let's talk energy. Specifically, let's talk about the holy grail of clean energy nuclear fusion. You know the sun, that giant ball of fire in the sky that keeps us all alive? Yeah, well, nuclear fusion is what makes it tick. It's the process of smashing atoms together to release insane amounts of energy. And the best part? It's clean, it's efficient, and it has the potential to power our planet for millions of years. No more fossil fuels, no more greenhouse gases, no more worrying about climate change. But scientists are working on it, and if they succeed, it could be the biggest breakthrough in human history. Dyson Sphere, harvesting the power of an entire star. Okay, we've covered some pretty mind-blowing tech so far, but now we're going full-on sci-fi. Buckle up because we're talking about the Dyson Sphere. Imagine this, a gigantic artificial structure built around an entire star, capturing all of its energy. This is the kind of tech that could launch humanity into a whole new era of existence. We're talking about becoming a Type 2 civilization on the Kardashev scale, meaning we can harness the power of an entire star system. Now, obviously, we're nowhere near being able to build something like this yet. But hey, a civilization can dream, right? Genetic Engineering 2.0 - Rewriting the Code of Life. Remember that time in biology class when you learned about DNA, the blueprint of life? Well, get ready to rewrite the textbook because genetic engineering is about to get a serious upgrade. We're talking about CRISPR technology, gene editing, and the ability to literally rewrite the code of life itself. Imagine a world where we can cure genetic diseases before they even develop, enhance our physical and cognitive abilities, and even design our own offspring. But of course, with great power comes great responsibility, right? The ethical implications of genetic engineering are huge. Nanotechnology. The future is tiny but mighty. Let's get small, really small. Nanotechnology is all about manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level. We're talking about building things atom by atom, like tiny robots that can deliver drugs directly to cancer cells or self-healing materials that can repair themselves. Imagine a world where we can create anything we want from scratch using just a handful of atoms. Need a new phone? Just print one out, atom by atom. Want to clean up the environment? Release a swarm of nanobots to gobble up all the pollution. Extended reality, XR, where the real and digital worlds collide. Get ready to say goodbye to boring old reality because extended reality, or XR, is about to blow your mind. We're talking about a seamless blend of virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR, that will blur the lines between the physical and digital worlds. Imagine attending a concert from your living room, trying on clothes virtually before you buy them, or even undergoing surgery remotely with the help of a holographic doctor. XR has the potential to revolutionize everything from entertainment and education to healthcare and manufacturing. Alright, time for the grand finale. Let's talk about space colonization. That's right, we're not just talking about visiting space anymore. We're talking about packing our bags and setting up shop on other planets, Mars, the Moon, maybe even a distant exoplanet. The sky's the limit, literally. Imagine a future where humanity is spread across the stars, living and thriving on multiple planets. It's the ultimate backup plan, ensuring the survival of our species, even if something catastrophic were to happen to Earth. Plus, it's just plain cool. So there you have it, folks. The top 10 future technologies that will change the world. From quantum computers and artificial intelligence to genetic engineering and space colonization, the future is looking pretty wild. And the craziest part is, this is just the tip of the iceberg. Who knows what other mind-blowing technologies are just around the corner? One thing's for sure, the future is closer than we think. And it's up to us to decide what we want that future to look like. See you in the future.